What's up, guys? Casey Town, KZT Bass Fishing. Used to be Mississippi Strikes and Bites Fishing. Now it's Tennessee Strikes and Bites Fishing, West Tennessee. So, y'all know I moved to Clarksville, Tennessee about 1.5 years ago. We just purchased a house out in Westport, Tennessee. It's about 45 minutes from Jackson, Tennessee. Sorry about the wind. The wind is bothering you, but windy today while I'm not fishing. But yeah, we purchased the house, about 6.5 acres of land. Out here in Westport, Tennessee. But I sold my bass boat to help with the down payment on the house, on the property. I mean, it's a little something. It ain't much. It is what it is. My land. But yeah, so I told you I just sold my bass boat, but this is what I got. Wilderness Systems Recon 120 HD. Well, it's not HD now, but you know, it's not the original HD. It's the 120, but I bought the pedal drive system for it. So up here you got your camera, my first camera, and then I got a chest plate, a chest cam. Up on here I got just so I keep some of my stuff, like dry bag, worm box, weight for my anchor wizard, screwdriver. Under the storage is where I keep my battery for my Garmin. That's I think it's called a Naqua. It's only a 4 amp hour, but it runs 8 hours a day. 8 hours. I can get 8 hours out of my Garmin, the Echo Map 9 SV. And, you know, you got your helix drive, which you go straight down. Pop that up to pop it up. But it's nice. It works good. I bought this kayak used. It's in really great shape. I got my little Yak Attack rod holder or paddle holder or whatever you want to net. I don't ever use it much. My paddle's over there on the side. But the seat is amazing. Love the seats. It's adjustable. You can adjust it right here. Scoots up. It don't adjust high to low, but it adjusts front to back for width or length for the pedal system. Got a couple boxes underneath on that side, a couple of rod holders. This is nice. You know, it's you can put 2. They say you can put 3 rods on there, but I can only get 2 to sit comfortably. But they strap in just like that. Rods won't go nowhere. They got the little storage bin right here, which I don't like it, but they could have, you know, brought the drain hole down more where it just drains out. But moving on back, but this seat, y'all, it's nice. You scoot it up, you got storage bin back here for a box. You know, a little bit of storage right here. You can put some. You can put a track system right here if you wanted to. Instead, I got my transducer for my Garmin up underneath the kayak. It's in the scupper. It's in the scupper hole right there. So I got it ran through. And these in-hole kits by Wilderness Systems, I got a box of them, a set of them. They work good. Show y'all that. But moving on, this is my Yak Attack, my black pack, and this regular fishing net. Couple poles, 3 poles on there. That's where I'll put my light. I should have got it before it came out. It's in the truck right here, so let's go. flat pack. So I got your, you know, 3 rods. I got 2 rods on this side and 1 rod on that side. So I got 5, 6 rods. 6 rods on my kayak. So hit the flag. I put the rudder system on myself. It was a pain. I almost cut my tubes too short. I also got inside my black pack. You know, I got a few boxes in there. That's all I need. I mean, I don't need a lot of tackle. Like I said, my paddle, I got the Bending Branches Angular Pro. I got the Pro Plus, but this kayak is 38 inches wide. So they said the best thing to do is get one that is about 270 centimeters. So that's what I did. I exchanged my first one and got that one. But the trolley system I'm using is the Malone trolley. It's a pretty good trolley. It's better than the seat tug. That's all I can say. On my seat over here, I got attached. Again, I got some pliers. Got my fish grips down here. Got my measuring board right there. Anchor to my black pack. You got a cup holder right here. You got another little storage bin right there. I don't know what exactly it's for, but I don't know. Sorry about the wind, guys. I know it's rough. On this side, I got my Yak Attack rod holder. Another rod. That's it. Right here. I can put another rod in there, but I put my paddle on this side just in case I need my paddle. It's got the paddle holders on here, but I got my system here. My measuring board blocks it. You just got to go through. You can break your paddle down and set it in. I got my anchor wizard. I got it run through eyelets, guiding it so I don't block my rod tip. Got it guided up and just hooked to my handle. And then I take my ball, my weight, and just hang it off on this carabiner. But that's my new bass boat. I've gotten it out a couple times. I really like it. It's heavy, but it's real stable. I installed this steering system. You know, you pull. I got this where you pull the handle, and it comes down. Then I got here where it locks in, so it won't flop up. And I'll still be able to, when I go over rocks, it'll kick up. That's how you raise it down. And then before you raise it back up, you gotta make sure you take the bungee off. And then you can come back. Close shut. Yep, that's it. I don't know if I'm going to fish tonight or tomorrow or what. Let's see how it goes. We might do some fishing, but just seeing guys. New setup, new property. There's Hazel. Say hey to Hazel. She's chewing on her ball. But yeah, that's it, guys. So remember, like and subscribe to my channel. Sorry about not being putting out many videos, but you know, it is what it is. So please like and subscribe to my channel. And if y'all have any questions about this kayak or any other products I have on this kayak, just hit me up in the comments below. Alright guys, appreciate it. Fish hard, fish smart, fish long, catch them bass, baby. I'm out.